Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best water bottle caps is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any hydration enthusiast, ensuring your water stays fresh, your bag stays dry, and your bottle remains functional for longer periods, making it a crucial component for maintaining the integrity and usability of your favorite water containers, especially when on the go or during intense activities where spills and contamination are a constant concern. Number 5. Kiddikap Original Water Bottle Topper. Introducing the Kiddikap Original Water Bottle Topper. This innovative silicone spout easily converts most standard bottles into a spill-resistant sippy cup, perfect for kids and adults alike. Our reusable bottle spout features a protective cap and fits standard 28mm spouts on water, soda, and juice boxes. It even works with straws for added convenience. Enjoy peace of mind with its 98% spill-proof design. It allows liquid to escape only when you're drinking, making it ideal for both flat and carbonated beverages. Lightweight and compact, it's the ultimate travel essential. Easily fits into any bag, eliminating the mess of spills and the bulk of traditional sippy cups. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, it's safety tested for ages 12 months and up. It helps everyone stay hydrated while reducing wasted drinks. Using it is a breeze. Simply push it into the bottle top, open the cap, and pinch the spout to drink. Cleaning is just as easy, with options for hand washing or top rack dishwasher safe. What we like? This topper transforms almost any bottle into a spill-resistant sippy cup. If you have toddlers or young children, this is a fantastic way to prevent messy spills during snack time or on the go. It's dentist and parent recommended for easy hydration. What people say. No leakage, also ideal for water bottles while driving. My toddler has been biting, swinging, throwing, and kicking the water bottle by the topper, and it has not slipped out or really leaked. It is easy for the kids to drink from them and close the top back. Though, even when they don't close the top, the stoppers do a pretty good job of not spilling. Number 4. CamelBak Podium and Peak Fitness Replacement Cap. Don't let a worn-out cap stop your hydration. This replacement cap is designed to keep your water flowing smoothly, ensuring you stay refreshed on every adventure. Engineered for a perfect fit, this cap ensures a leak-free experience. Enjoy uninterrupted hydration with reliable performance, just like the original. Crafted for durability, this cap is built to withstand your active lifestyle. It provides a secure and dependable seal, so you can focus on your fitness goals. Replacing your old cap is simple and quick. Get your bottle back to optimal working condition in no time with this easy-to-install part. Specifically designed for CamelBak Podium and Peak bottles, this cap ensures compatibility and maintains the high standards you expect. Keep your favorite bottle performing at its best. Available in a classic black finish and a one-size design, it seamlessly matches your existing bottle. It's the ideal solution for a quick and effective replacement. What we like? If your original lid for your CamelBak bottle is lost or damaged, this is the perfect direct replacement. It's designed to maintain the leak-resistant functionality of your existing bottle, ensuring you can continue to hydrate without worry. Choose this if you need a reliable, no-fuss replacement for your specific bottle. What people say. Way more durable, a harder plastic that will never get bitten through even with my teething toddlers, easy to clean, no leaks, works perfectly. Good replacement for original cap that could no longer be easily cleaned. The bite valve is great as it does not leak if left open. Great locking seal. The valve provides a lot of pressure and it is a cheap replacement to keep a nice water bottle going. Number 3. Yeti Rambler Straw Lid Replacement Cap. This lid is designed to fit a wide range of Yeti Rambler bottles, from 12 ounces to 64 ounces. It also works seamlessly with Kiddikap bottles, offering a secure fit for easy sipping on the go. Plus, it comes in multiple colors to match your style and features a flexible handle for comfortable carrying. Crafted from durable, non-toxic, and BPA-free plastic, this lid is built to last. It ensures safe hydration with a high-flow mouthpiece that's completely leak-proof and easy to clean. It's a reliable replacement for your everyday water bottle. Enjoy convenient hydration with this lid. It screws on tightly, has a wide opening, and comes with a flexible handle for comfortable carrying. The smooth straw allows for effortless sipping. Just flip and sip without removing the cap. Its splash-proof design is perfect for all ages and activities. Each package includes everything you need for a perfect fit and easy maintenance. You'll get 2 long straws that can be trimmed to your desired length, along with a straw cleaner brush. It's a complete set for a clean and tailored hydration experience. Built for long-lasting performance, this cap is dishwasher safe and supports safe, daily hydration. If you have any questions about your replacement lid, feel free to reach out. Please note, this lid is not intended for use with tumblers or growlers. Experience worry-free carrying with its lockable lid. The high-flow chug mouthpiece ensures fast, satisfying drinks, perfect for workouts or adventures. Simply flip it open for a quick and easy sip. What we like? This lid is a versatile option, especially if you own Yeti Rambler bottles. It offers a convenient straw for easy sipping and a flexible handle for comfortable carrying. If you're looking for an upgrade or a replacement that allows for hands-free drinking and easy transport, this is a great choice. What people say. It fits our Yeti bottles perfectly and makes drinking way easier, especially when we're on the go. No leaks, super easy to clean, and just works. The color is perfect and feel durable. You would think it's Yeti brand too. These fit our Yeti Rambler bottles perfectly. They are getting more use than the double lid with a round opening in the center. Number 2. Under Armour Replacement Pro Lid Black. This lid is designed to be lockable and leak resistant. Its see-through design also helps keep the spout clean. With a built-in carry loop, it's easy to take with you anywhere. Enjoy convenient one-hand operation for hydration on the go. The self-draining cap prevents any water from pooling after washing. This ensures a hygienic experience every time. You can be confident in its safety. It is made from materials that are free from BPA and lead. This product is imported and built with quality in mind. Its dimensions are 3.75 L x 5.25 W x 2.3 H. What we like? This lid is designed for convenience and hygiene, featuring a lockable top to keep the spout clean and prevent leaks. The built-in carry loop makes it easy to take with you anywhere. If you prioritize a clean drinking spout and one-handed operation during activities, this lid is ideal. What people say. These caps fit my water bottles perfectly and don't leak at all. The design is great, they are easy to screw on and off, and they stay put. I love that these caps are made of durable material and seem like they will last a long time. Number 1. Myvision Secure Cap for 5-gallon water dispenser. Tired of messy spills? Our silicone caps create a perfect seal, preventing leaks every time. Plus, they're reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, these caps are BPA-free and safe for your family. They're also high-temperature resistant and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Designed to fit most 3 to 5-gallon water bottles, these flexible caps ensure a tight seal. This allows your water pump to grip the bottle more firmly for a stable experience. Forget struggling with difficult caps. Ours are designed for effortless installation and removal, making water changes a breeze. Say goodbye to single-use plastic caps. These durable, reusable caps are a smart and eco-friendly choice for all your water storage needs. We stand by our product. If your cap is damaged within 2 years, simply contact us for a free replacement. No need to return the old one. What we like? If you frequently use 5-gallon water jugs, these reusable silicone caps are an excellent eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. They create a secure, non-spill seal, preventing contamination and making it easier to attach water pumps. Consider these if you want to reduce plastic waste and ensure a clean water source. What people say. They fit my plastic bottles beautifully and are easy to manage. The Myvision Secure Cap for 5-gallon water bottles works perfectly. It fits snugly and securely, preventing any spills or leaks. I love that it's reusable and easy to clean, which makes it a much better option than the disposable caps. The seal is tight, so I never have to worry about contamination or water going stale. Excellent quality and great durability. The silicone caps create a perfect seal, completely leak-proof. They have a nice soft grip, making them easy to put on and remove, even when wet. The material feels thick and strong, not cheap or flimsy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.